Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 36 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we're going to be looking at exercises 50 and 51. So let's get ready.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
These two exercises are all about the differences in rhythm. Even though the pitches are the same as we go through each iteration, the rhythm changes. So it's really important that you notice how the breath changes and how the flexibility of the line changes depending on the rhythmic variation. Again, don't take this past the point that you can control the tone. You don't want the tongue to start getting involved in movement around the pitches. So take this at a nice, easy tempo, just a slow walking tempo so that you can feel that rhythm. Exercise 50, we actually start with a triplet in a 3/4 time. So we've got bum, ba da 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 bum, ba da 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 bum, ba da 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 bum. So as we go through this exercise, really feel that flow of the rhythm in the voice and that the voice isn't stopping or holding on any of those pitches. Here we go. Breathe. 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 Now you'll notice in that one I actually didn't breathe in a couple of the right spots as Marchesi notates, so I would do that again, but the general idea was the same. So you can play around with how you want to take those breaths, but again, she keeps wanting to link the first measure into the first note of the next, and that's to connect that pitch-wise, I believe. So really make sure you can do that. If you miss one like I did, it's no big deal, but just feel that that's where you generally want to breathe. So now for exercise 51, we have a slightly different rhythm in 3/4 time. We've got bum, bum, ba 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 bum, bum, ba 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 bum. So really feel how that changes the use of the breath as we're coming down those descending scales. And here's exercise 51. Breathe. Breathe.